Hey guys, Nicholas Bucher, Inventory Manager here at Kelley Buick GMC, and today I wanted to show you a first look at our 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. Let's take a look. As many of you are anticipating, we received our first 2024 GMC Sierra HD. The HD gets a redesign similar to the light duty truck, so you get a new front fascia with new headlights, some additional details on the front end here, such as the HD badging here in the grille, and then your 2500 or 3500 badging here on the bumper as well. Here's a look at the front fascia with your headlights on. You do have LED fog lights as well, even on the SLE trim level, and your LED roof marker lights. A really neat feature when you unlock the vehicle, the DRLs will do kind of a swipe twice. Very distinctive. One of the biggest changes for the gas powertrain on the HE is now you get a 10-speed Allison transmission, just like the Duramax powertrain, replacing the old 6-speed transmission. Taking a look inside, you can see this one looks similar to the light-duty trucks. You have the redesigned interior. As I mentioned, this is an SLE, so kind of a entry-level model, but you still do get the brand new dashboard design with the 12-inch digital instrument cluster and the 13.4-inch Google-based infotainment system. Here's a look from the driver's seat inside the HD. Looks very nice, just like the half-ton trucks. This one does have the optional auxiliary switches, which is a nice installation right here underneath your climate controls. And this is kind of a new feature I've never noticed before. You have a seat belt occupancy alert, so it shows which belts are buckled. Nice if you have kids in the back. Some notable changes for the 2024 model year, of course, include the redesigned front fascia, the Denali Ultimate trim, which will be available later this year. We also have a power boost to the Duramax powertrain, as well as some new exterior colors and the available adaptive cruise control. Additionally, all SLE and higher GMC Sierra HEs will come standard with the Pro Safety Driver Assistance Package, which includes all your forward-facing driver assistance systems. One additional exterior change is the inclusion of the sequential turn signal, which is a really nice touch. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel as we start to create more content, and we eagerly anticipate some additional 2024 HDs to arrive. Thanks for watching.